this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales, and today I'm back with something different, something new, because you all have been requesting it. You wanted to see my post-workout routine, and I'm just done with my workout. I'm going to quickly get you through my post-workout routine, what I do for my skin, for my hair and everything, what I eat after my workout, what I drink after my workout. So it's a complete post-workout routine. I hope you will find it useful. So yes, I'm just done with my workout. I'm all drenched in sweat. The one very important thing that I have already mentioned in my previous videos is that you have to take care of not wiping your face with the towel after doing your workout. That can lead to skin rashes and can create many other skin problems as well. So now the sweat is all gone. I'm going to quickly do a face wash. I'm using Mamaearth's Upton face wash that I have been using since a very long time now. So I'm done with the face wash. Feels very happy, light and relaxing. Obviously when you do workout you feel really happy. Now I'm going to use this Dermaco's vitamin C serum. I don't have a very long skincare routine, but yes, I make sure that I do this because when you work out, you need to take care of your skin and your hair. It's very important. And yes, it feels amazing. Now I'm going to quickly apply this Baby Lips from Maybelline. So now I'm quickly going to grab a cup of green tea. I don't usually go for a shower just after my workout. I give at least 30 minutes because right now my hair is all wet and sweat. So it can cause me cold and cough if I directly go into shower. So I give 30 minutes after my workout, and then after that I'm going to go for a shower and wash my hair.
I wanted to share my quick get ready routine as a part of I Heart Beauty sale from purple.com from 4th August to 8th August, wherein you get about 50% off on over 500 brands plus extra 10% discount by using code GET100. Also, you have a huge chance to win an iPhone as a part of I Heart Beauty jackpot. So I have a very quick get ready routine. I've washed my hair with L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner. It is a total repair range from L'Oreal Paris. You can get up to 40% off as a part of this sale.
So I'm just done with the post-workout shower. It feels so amazing after taking a shower when you are done with the workout of the day. It is very satisfactory. Now I'm going to quickly apply some anti-frizz cream. I'm going to quickly apply this on the tips. I'm going to apply this Coco body yogurt. Since then I'm in love with this. It acts as an amazing moisturizer. So I'm going to quickly apply it on my hands. And now let's go to grab a post-workout meal. Now it's been an hour after my workout, so let me quickly get a post-workout meal and show you that what I eat after my workout.
So basically the post-workout meal is my lunch. So I am having some sorted vegetables that has broccoli, tofu and some more vegetables, and 2 bread toasts and some almonds. We have some tomato puree as well. So this is my post-workout meal. After that I'm just going to quickly get ready by using Maybelline Kajal Gel Eyeliner. So it is a gel form of kajal that you get, and I've been using it since 8 years now, since college, and I love it because it's much free and it's waterproof. it really works well for me. Kajal being one of the most important cosmetic for me, I make sure that I use it of good quality. So Maybelline for me is a very good brand to go for, and definitely you can get great offers up to 40% off as a part of this sale. Now I am going to use a Blue Heaven lipstick. I usually use red and pink shades on my lips, but I'm trying something different today. All the shades that I'm using would be there in my description so that you can check it out for yourself. And yes, definitely you can get great offers like buy two get two offers on Blue Heaven as well as a part of this sale. And yes, I am ready. I don't use any much cosmetics on my face. That's pretty much about my get ready routine. So there are more than 500 brands on purple.com that you can check out and get some amazing offers for yourself. Link would be there in my description. So yes, that's it about this video. I hope you find it useful. You got some insight about my post workout routine and some routine about how I get ready for the day. So yes, I hope you will find it useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.